cool. I got a package. Wonder what's inside. Oh, don't you fall. Don't. It's like right there where you're balancing on nothing. I think I might be watching too much Spam Subi. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. New year. Happy New Year. It's the beginning of the year, you know, and it's already starting off good because as you can see, I got a new camera. The Sony A2. I originally want the Sony A7S II, but I'm really happy with this one because it's the next best thing and like not that expensive. Still pretty expensive. It's like a $1,200 to $1,300 camera, but I got mine from Sony open box and I got a really good deal on this thing. It has full frame 1080p 4K quality. It has so many features that I do need for the type of videos that I am going to be putting out, so this will be a good start for this year. Of course, I'm still going to use this camera. This camera is actually the Canon T5i Rebel. I'll still be using this for my vlogs and, you know, other videos, because I really don't want to beat this camera up yet because it's pretty expensive, man. So this thing came with the hood, it came with the lens. I'm really happy about that part because just the body alone is still like about $1,000. This thing is dope. So I can do a lot of filming at night as far as car videos and some stunt stuff. So I cannot wait to start using this thing this year, or maybe even now. I might even use this tomorrow. And I even already got a new memory card for it. Yeah, I got the right stuff. I'm gonna crack this open right now. Where'd that blade go? Yeah, I'm not cheaping out on this camera at all. This is probably like the biggest SD card I ever bought. Whoa. This is 128 gigs, so I should have no excuse on film time when it comes to this camera right here. Oh my god, this quality is... I'm sorry, y'all can't really see that, but for today's video, we're gonna have to fix the lip on Panda because I did break it and I got a new one. So we're gonna install that today. But before we take off, a little project here that I want to try out, and I want to customize this. I want to do something a little different today and show a little bit of my art skills. So I do have a carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I'm probably gonna use for some interior. And I want to carbon fiber this because everyone that I know has cool controllers, and online I have not seen a carbon fiber Xbox One controller. So I'm going to customize this one and we're going to start the video off that way. And for my stunt channel, I do post on every like Tuesdays and Thursdays, like around 2 p.m. But the week of my birthday is going to be posting like every day. So if you guys really want to see that, go ahead and check out my stunt channel and just enjoy it. I post most of my stunts or things on my Instagram on that channel because it's more of my portfolio for my martial arts and to show coordinators and stuff what I can do. So that's why I have that channel. But on this channel I do a lot of the vlogs, I do a lot of the artwork, editing, of course the car content on here, and anything else I can think of. So we'll see where this channel goes in the future, but right now I'm only doing car content because of the COVID situation and all that. Until things get lifted, I'll be able to do more stuff with my friends and start adding like behind the scenes and all that, so of like certain videos that I do, which will be fun. So if you guys like to be interested in that, just comment down below and let me know what's up. Before I get to really start using this camera, I really want to thank you guys for your support. I don't have that many followers. Again, I'm not a bigger YouTuber, but I really think and appreciate you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. It means a lot. So let's continue this project that I want to try. We'll continue with today's video. Alright you guys, I just came back from doing a few errands. Still morning time, so before today gets started with today's video, I want to I just whacked myself in the head. Carbon fiber wrap this controller. I haven't seen a carbon fiber wrapped controller, so I want to do it. Here's my carbon fiber wrap right here. It is also protected with a layer of clear film, which is dope, so I won't have to worry about scratching the surface when I start it. I also got a plastic blade so that way I can get in between these little cracks and lines right here like that. I mean, like, I got a lot of it left over. Even Spencer used some of this for his wing that he got, and I still have that much left over. And you can see it still has film on it, so it's also, oh damn, this thing's heavy. This would be the first time I get to use it. Spencer snagged it before I can use it, but it's all good. That's what friends are for. Also, I got a blade from my old job, so I can actually just cut the amount I need. Oops. I do not know how I'm gonna cut around here. I don't have an X-Acto knife. I was thinking about going out and buying one, but I'm being too lazy. So let's just see how well I can get this thing going. Maybe I should take out the batteries so that way it doesn't turn on while I'm doing this. So enjoy.
When I was sister track that other
There's a small possibility that I might need to do this again because I ripped it. Oh, so good except for that one section right there. Cause I got this one perfect, and all I need is a blade to cut the circle a little bit. This one, I made the hole a little bit big before putting it through, and it's like, even if I cut it, that little white piece will show. I had it, but so far it was looking good. All I have to do is cut them out. Good thing about wrap, take it off, do it again. Yo, what is up people? And it's bright as shit today, super bright. But today, you guys can see I'm back at Juan's shop. Got the car in the street today because it's busy as hell in here. Well, it's not that busy, but all the cars so far is kind of done. Like this car here, look at that fitment. So you guys didn't know this car right here is for a girl. That's sick. This is the front bumper, man. This shit is nice. We got everything else laid out right here. Some very expensive wheels, you know what I'm saying? Shit. You guys know me, I'm always supporting the car girls because she has it dialed in pretty good. So before I start doing some work, let's show Juan my new camera and see what he thinks, because we got a lot of new videos up ahead. This is it.
Oh, shit. Damn, bro.
Bro, this shit's so clear.
Really?
Super clear. It is a new day back at the shop with Juan, and it started raining. So, today we're just gonna work on the lip. Got a new one. We have to cut this off, cut it all around, but we're not gonna cut as much as we did here. This was an accidental cut. We're supposed to go like curve it like that. So we're gonna try again with this one since I broke this one. So I'm gonna take it off and mock it up, and of course I'm gonna have to repaint it. So And after that, I don't know what else to do because it started raining, so I really don't want to be out here this long. It's pretty cold as well. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't think you guys need to see me redo it, but if I feel like filming, you'll see it. What's cool is that you're also putting the bracket. Well, I could probably use them to help reinforce these brackets that I made right here. These ones are kind of shaped just like how I designed the brackets. It was for the same amount we put on, same amount of brackets we put on here, just the amount they gave us. It's crazy. Last time when I got this one, it didn't give me all this. It only gave me like 4 screws. That's what gave me everything. Cool. Most definitely raining again, but the lip is on, you guys. Got it all thinned out, super smooth, lush. I might shave this down just a tad bit so that way it doesn't mess with the tire and it turns. And I reversed some of the brackets because some were longer than others, so the brackets are in pretty. It seems like I did a way better job than the first time I did it. So what I'm gonna do now is scuff it up and paint it because everything's all dialed in. I don't want to take it off the car because it looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some type of sandpaper or whatever I need to scuff this up. I do have the paint inside the car, so I'm just gonna paint it and mask off everything like I did last time, and that should be it for this. I did get these grommet thingies, rubber grommets for the hood, so that way it can hopefully prevent some of the rattling I've been hearing still. Also got the gas tank brackets because my gas tank almost fell on the freeway, so I broke it because my car was too low. So I got those again along with these. And oh, this one went in pretty smooth. It's going in there. I'm gonna probably put those on after this, and then as I wait for the paint to dry on the lip, I'll be installing those brackets. Wait, what do you want me to do? Sign it?
Yeah, you could just sign it or use your credit card.
Sign it or use my credit card. She trying to give me a ticket for having spikes. What are they teaching the kids these days? It's your fault.
Why my fault?
Because you taught her how to hand out tickets. You make your sister the po-po.
No, I didn't. A popo.
No po-po. I don't have a credit card, so I can't help you out.
No, then you have to sign it.
And then I have to sign the ticket anyway?
What about you could just, he could give you money.
I ain't giving y'all squat. Can't believe I'm getting hustled by a couple of gangsters and There's some evil police. I don't even want to sign. Do I have to go to court too?
No, you can't sign.
Oh, no court? Alright, I'll sign right now. You just gotta leave. Done. Alright. You gonna shoot me after I sign? What is this? I don't know if you guys can see that, but my gas tank is resting on my exhaust. Very bad. And we're gonna fix this. I also got a new one. And the reason why fixing this, if you guys remember in the other video when I first cut it, I measured it wrong and cut it backward. under it right, like that, like so. Boom. Cool. Damn, it's raining hella hard right now, and because of that, I freaking like cut it just a little bit too much. It swerved up. Damn. The saw needed a new blade, so it wasn't cutting and like swerved. Damn. Well, it's not as a big triangle than before. I'm gonna get another one. Oh, we all got wet just now. Yeah, Juan got wet, I got wet, they got wet. Cause look. No water's gonna fall on me.
I imagine it did. The universe did on you. Wow.
It almost did on my shoes. I got you guys pretty good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like raining super hard. Super hard. But the lip looks good. It's already dried.
Did it get dried or it did wash away?
No, it's already dry. See, the water's going right off. We got lucky.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
He's taking a shower. Oh yeah, he's taking
That's something like half shower. Okay. Gotta take this off.
Yeah.
It's raining. It's cold.
I'm gonna go this way.
Throw this in the trash.
Okay.
Good thing I finished in the rain. Done.
No.
Where at? Where you see it?
That one's gonna fall down. Oh my god, it's rain. Oh.
What happened?
Oh my god, it's getting on my eye.
Well, run away from me. Don't stand next to it.
No.
Right there.
Oh.
Look. Ready? Ready?
The triangle is doing it again. Oh. I don't want to hear again. Oh.
It's like slapping somebody's belly. Where's it at? Right here. Check this. Look. Alright, you guys, we gotta fold up this tent and I'll see you guys at home. And we're home, you guys. Yeah, let me take this thing off. Yeah, the weather was crazy, but I'm glad I'm back in my room and it's nice and like warm. But if you guys notice that the room is a little bit empty, it's because I am moving from here. So I found a completely different place, a little bit better area and everything. I'm so tired because I like packed just about everything. I just have that and my blankets and pillow, but that's it. And of course, like my laptop. I'm still curious how I'm gonna fit this chair in my car because my car is packed. Looks like there'll be no more TikTok videos in here, but it was fun. Sorry, oh my god, I'm a little bit fatigued and tired, but I have to meet somebody for my new place right now. So in the next video, you guys might already see me at my new place. Who knows? I think in the next video, I'll probably be doing a new horn button install and also reconnecting my horn because somehow it got disconnected. So we gotta fix that problem right away because I need my horn. There's some people on the road that but if you guys like what I did today and had fun with us and Juan and the kids, put a like down below. I do have the new camera, so a lot more fire videos are gonna be coming out, and I'm back on Instagram, so I'm gonna be pumping out videos on there. And as for my stunt channel, I have videos posting every Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I think from now until my birthday, there's a video posted every day on that channel. So if you guys want to stick with me in the martial arts, hit up there. And on this channel, I'll do more behind the scenes on how I do my martial art videos and fight scenes and whatever type of content I end up creating. So see you guys on the next one, and peace out. All right, I'm out of here.